Trick or treat. Trick or treat. Cheese.
Mommy's taking a video. Say hi. Say happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
What are you going to be for Halloween, Landon?
That's it.
And what color is a dinosaur?
Blue.
What does the dinosaur say? Oh. What are you doing right now?
I'm copying.
What are you doing?
I'm copying.
You're...
Hey, Boobly.
Blueberry? Where?
Fresh happy Boobly. I found Boobly.
Blueberry? Landon, how old are you? Landon, what are you doing?
I tried.
Oh, let's not open it tonight. Please don't open it, Landon. Are you trick-or-treating? Okay, trick-or-treat.
Boobly.
Blueberry. Trick-or-treat.
Hey, girl. Hey, girl.
Thank you. Trick-or-treat.
Hey. Hey, you.
Thank you.
What? Green?
Green?
What? Green?
Please, can I have green?
Green? Where's green? Oh, yeah. Mine?
No, can you share with Mommy?
That's yours. That's yours.
Oh, what's this one?
That's Boobly.
Blueberry. And what is yours? Which one's that one?
Jolo.
Jello? Is it apple?
Yeah. I eat it.
No. Silly.
You eat it?
No, Mommy's not going to eat it yet either. Say bye-bye, Landon.
Bye-bye.
See you later.